Hello students, in this lecture we will do question answers of chapter 1 power sharing. Question number 1. What are the different forms of power sharing in modern democracies? Give an example of each of these. Point number 1 is separation of powers. Power is shared among different organs of government such as legislature, executive and judiciary, for example India. Point number 2 is federal government. Power can be shared among governments at different levels. For example, in India, it is shared between center, state, and at local level, municipality, and panchayats. Point number 3, power shared among different social groups, such as religious and linguistic groups. For example, community government in Belgium. Point number 4 is power sharing among political parties, pressure groups and movements. These controls or influence those in power. For example, coalition government formation. It is an example of power sharing among political parties, that is coalition government formation. So these are the four different forms of power sharing in modern democracies. First is separation of powers, second is federal government, third is power shared among different social groups, fourth is power sharing among political parties, pressure groups and movements. Question number 2. State one prudential reason and one moral reason for power sharing with an example from the Indian context. Answer is point number 1. Prudential reason stress that power sharing will bring out better outcomes. Power sharing helps to reduce the possibility of conflict among social groups. Since social conflict often leads to violence and political instability, power sharing is a good way to ensure the stability of political order. For example, to avoid caste conflicts among various castes, reservation has been provided. Point number 2, moral reasons emphasize the very act of power sharing as valuable. Power sharing is the very spirit of democracy. A democratic rules involves sharing power with those affected by its exercise and who have to live with its effects. For example, federal feature of Indian democracy. And these 2 points are very important क्योंकि ये मोस्टली क्वेश्चंस में आगे यूज आ रहे हैं, तो यू मस्ट लर्न दिस बोथ द पॉइंट्स. ओके, सो ये दोनों पॉइंट्स आपको बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, ये सारे क्वेश्चंस में आगे चल के यूज आ रहे हैं, तो आप अच्छे से इनको याद कीजिए. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. After reading this chapter, 3 students drew different conclusions. Which of these do you agree with and why? Give reasons in about 50 words. The first view is power sharing is necessary only in societies which have religion, linguistic or ethnic divisions. So we will not agree with this because it is saying that only in societies which have religious, linguistic and or ethnic divisions. So it is not true. Second view is power sharing is suitable only for big countries that have regional divisions. So it is also not true because we have seen example of Belgium, and Belgium is a small country. So it is also not true. Third is Yusuf view. Every society needs some form of power sharing, even if it is small or does not have social divisions. So this one is true. Answer will be Yusuf view that every society needs some form of power sharing, even if it is small or does not have the social divisions, is correct because point number 1, power sharing helps to reduce the possibility of conflict between the social groups. Since social conflict often leads to violence and political instability, power sharing is a good way to ensure the stability of political orders. Second point is power sharing is the very spirit of democracy. A democratic rule involves sharing power with those affected by its exercise, and who are affected by its exercise, people, and who have to live with its effect. So I have said that prudential and moral, both these points are important. So आप इनको अच्छे से याद कीजिए क्योंकि मोस्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन में ये यूज आ रहे हैं. Question number 4. The mayor of Merstem, a town near Brussels in Belgium, has defended a ban on speaking French in the town's school. He said that the ban would help all Dutch speakers integrate in this Flemish town. Do you think that this measure is in keeping with the spirit of Belgium's power sharing arrangements? Give your reasons in about 50 words. Answer is the measure of Mayor of Merstem to ban on French speaking in the town's schools near Brussels is unfair. It does not keep with Belgium's power sharing arrangement. It does not keep. Okay. Point number 1 is power sharing is good because it helps to reduce the possibility of conflicts between the social groups, and in Belgium there is a need to maintain the power sharing to avoid civil strife between the two major communities, that is the French and the Dutch, and a possible division of the country on the linguistic lines. Point number 2 is banning French will promote the tendency of a civil strife. Therefore, mayor should promote bilingual education system in the town's school. Again, these 2 points are used. Therefore, these 2 points are very important. That is the prudential and moral reasons. Question number 5th. Read the following passage and pick out any one of the prudential reasons for power sharing offered in this. We need to give more power to the panchayats to realize the dream of Mahatma Gandhi and the hopes of the makers of our constitution. Panchayati Raj establishes true democracy. It restores power to the only place where power belongs in a democracy, in the hands of the people. Giving power to panchayats is also a way to reduce corruption and increase administrative efficiency. When people participate in the planning and the implementation of development schemes, they would naturally exercise greater control over these schemes. This would eliminate the corrupt middlemen. Thus, Panchayati Raj will strengthen the foundations of our democracy. So, main point is here is to reduce the corruption and increase administrative efficiency. Second one is that it will ultimately strengthen the foundation of our democracy. That is, the Panchayati Raj will strengthen the foundations of our democracy. Answer is the prudential reason in the given passage is the giving power to panchayats is also a way to reduce corruption and increase administrative efficiency. Point number 2 is ultimately Panchayati Raj will be strengthen the foundations of our democracy. Question number 6. Different arguments are usually put forth in favor of and against power sharing. Identify those which are in favor of power sharing. We have to identify those which are in favor of power sharing and select the answer using the codes given below. Power sharing. Option A is reduces conflict among different communities. Yes, it is true. Option B is decreases the possibility of arbitrariness. Yes, it is also true. Third is delays decision-making process. Yeah, we cannot say about this because sometimes it delays, but the other times it may not. So this is not correct. D is accommodates diversities. Yes, it accommodates diversities because it includes various social groups. Okay. Point number E, increases instability and divisiveness. It is not true because it does not increases instability. It increases stability. It increases stability. Point number F, promotes people's participation in government. Yes, it promotes people participations in government. Point number option G is undermines the unity of country. No, it increases the unity of country. So correct answer is option A, B, D and F. So option A is correct answer. Okay. Question number 7. Consider the following statements about power sharing arrangements in Belgium and Sri Lanka. Option A is, in Belgium, the Dutch-speaking majority people tried to impose their domination on the minority French-speaking community. It is wrong because they haven't tried to impose their domination on the minority French-speaking community. Option B, in Sri Lanka, the policies of government sought to ensure the dominance of Sinhala-speaking majority. Yes, it is true. The Tamils in Sri Lanka demanded a federal arrangement of power sharing to protect their culture, language, and equality of opportunity in education and job. It is also true. The transformation option D is that the transformation of Belgium from unitary government to a federal one prevented a possible division of the country on the linguistic lines. Yes, it is also true due to power sharing. So B, C, D are correct. Therefore, option D is correct answer. B, C, D are correct. Question number 8. Match list worst forms of power sharing. These are forms of power sharing and forms of government. First one is power shared among different organs of government. It is called as separation of power. So B is correct. Second one is power shared among governments at different levels. It is a federal feature. D is second ka D hoga. Power shared by different social groups. This one will be community government. Power shared by different social group. A1 is correct for this. And power shared by two or more political parties. This is called as option C is correct, coalition government. Therefore, 1 is 2. 1 for 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 for 1 it is B. For 2 it is D. For 3 it is A. And for fourth one it is C. So BDAC. BDAC. Option C is correct answer. BDAC. Question number 9. Consider the following two statements on power sharing and select the answer using the quotes given below. Statement A is power sharing is good for democracy. It is true. It helps to reduce the possibility of conflicts between social groups. Yes, it is also true. Therefore, answer B is correct. Both A and B are true. Thank you, students.